Job loss motivation. From rock bottom to unstoppable. Losing your job feels like the world collapsing beneath your feet. It's more than a loss of income, it's a punch to your identity, your confidence, your sense of purpose. But here's the thing, no setback is permanent. And every moment of failure is a hidden opportunity waiting for you to unlock it. Let me tell you about Sarah, a woman who didn't just survive her job loss. She transformed because of it. Sarah had everything going for her. She was a rising star in her company, working long hours, pushing boundaries, and living for the next promotion. But one fateful Friday, in a matter of minutes, everything changed. She was laid off, no warning, no time to prepare. She walked out of the office that day with a cardboard box full of memories. Her mind racing with doubt, fear, and uncertainty. That first week was unbearable. She woke up each morning, hoping it had all been a bad dream. But it wasn't. The reality hit hard. She felt lost, broken. The world moved on, but Sarah stood still, frozen by fear. Then came the turning point. It happened late one night when she was scrolling through social media, watching people live lives that seemed so perfect. She felt envy, anger, and frustration rising. But then a voice inside her whispered, "What if this isn't the end? What if this is the beginning of something better?" And that's when she made the decision that changed her life. Sarah stopped seeing her job loss as a failure and started viewing it as the ultimate opportunity. She realized that for years, she had been grinding away for someone else's dream. This was her chance to chase her own. Instead of applying for more jobs, Sarah decided to do something radical. She took the money she had saved and enrolled in a program to develop the skills she had always been passionate about but never had time to explore. She dove into digital marketing, learned coding, and began building her own freelance business from scratch. The road was tough. She faced rejection, doubt, and days where she thought she'd never make it. But Sarah kept going, fueled by the belief that her moment of loss was her moment to rise. Fast forward to today, Sarah's business is thriving. She's now working with international clients, making more than she ever did at her corporate job, and, most importantly, living a life of freedom and fulfillment that she never dreamed possible. Sarah didn't just bounce back, she leveled up. Her job loss wasn't her end. It was her launchpad. Here's the truth. You will face setbacks. You will feel like the ground is crumbling beneath you. But you have a choice. You can let the loss break you, or you can let it be the fire that forges you into something stronger, something unstoppable. If you lost a job, this is your moment to reinvent yourself, to chase the dream you've been putting off, to break free from the limitations you didn't even realize were holding you back. Your comeback is already in motion, if you're willing to take that first step. So what are you waiting for? The next chapter of your life is yours to write, and it's going to be one hell of a story.